Hey, what is up, lawn care community? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by.
He nasty.
In today's video, we have a very special surprise. I am picking up a 52-inch Wright Stander from my local dealer. Lead mechanic there called me. He knows I'm very interested in all different kinds of mowers and machines. And, you know, every season I'm in the market, honestly, for a new machine because, as you guys know, if you've been following me, I've had like 3 different machines now in the last 3 years of at least on YouTube. Started with a 48 V1 Skag. That was my first commercial machine. And then I had a 36 V2 Skag, just because, you know, they're dependable machines, really heavy duty. And then I came across Gravely, and I was super impressed with the specs on Gravely, just the weight of the machine, the size of the gas tank, and their cut quality is, to be honest, I think Gravely probably lays the best stripes, but, you know, that's obviously debatable. But I'm really interested in checking out this Wright. Stick around. We'll do a full walkthrough. This is going to be cool. Let's check it out.
Ooh, he nasty.
Okay guys, so here it is. We got her in the garage. The 52-inch Stander X. So 52-inch deck. It's got those little rollers with the 3 bolts there. Looks like easily replaceable if you damage those. Obviously just greasable caster wheels, commercial caster wheels. Caster wheels. I do kind of like this cover on the exhaust. That's actually pretty smart. So this baby is a EFI 28 horsepower Vanguard. 28 horsepower is really pushing some power through this thing. That's just, you know, I think, well, the deck looks like pretty good. We'll get to other machines, but see how the top of the machine, this is a 52, and there's no cover on the top of the machine. That's a lot of horsepower, just covered by the exhaust, which I believe kind of lets the machine breathe. And I've always said that too. You'd want to be able to blow debris and easily remove sticks. So I think that's a good idea. Leave it open, but put the cover on there for the exhaust, obviously because of the heat. So we just unscrew this. So yeah, what a beautiful machine. The footprint of it seems fairly compact. So you have your simple height adjustment here, 1.5 to 5.5. Let's see what. Screw this. That falls off. What do we got in here? How the heck do you... Yeah, that's weird. Where's the battery? I mean, you guys... Oh, yep, see? That is the battery, but hey, I'm trying to figure out how the heck to get to it. And it looks like, maybe because this is a demo unit, but look guys, this is just... This pad is bolted on. You know, like I said, I'm just demoing this unit. Lucky enough, thankful enough to have a nice local dealer that let me look at this machine. Because I obviously know this comes off and then the pad comes off. I just don't think they want you opening it all up, which, you know, that makes sense. Okay, makes sense for the demo unit. So we'll just put this back on, but yeah, guys, that's where the battery actually, you know, we might just keep her tucked back back on there nice and tight. So the tires here, Turf Masters 20 by 10-8. Nice solid tires there. This just has some standard high lift blades on it. It does have some baffles as well. Some baffles sticking out for grass. You know, the way it disperses the grass when it shoots out. I'm sure that it helps with clumping and whatnot. So we've got this grass down, nice too, that it just stays tucked back. But I'll tell you what, guys, this looks pretty nice too. When I first saw this pad and stood on this machine, I really didn't think it appears you just pull that off, and you just unscrew that and drain it right out. I think the comfort when you ride, which I'll obviously get to demo, we'll get to that a little bit later. Dipstick there to check it, drain the oil, and then so the reason why I commented about taking this pad off is because I realized that there's the oil filter back there, so you gotta change the oil filter from back here once you take the pad off. That must be correct. So anyways, guys, this machine, like I said, this is a nice little walk around to this machine. The standing platform, I'm not really sure why you would need back here if you really started tipping. So as I'm standing on the machine, guys, the platform is it's pretty nice. It's got some bounce to it, I can feel. Now, this is going to be kind of one of the biggest points in my other video, but if you just look at this, which I was not aware of at all about these Wright mowers, is that they are like, the handles are like reverse engineered. You can see this middle mechanism is the brace, and you're actually pushing over to the left from the back of this to go forward, guys. You have and then pulling from the top to go in reverse. Pretty even when I loaded it on my trailer, it was pretty strange to use. So definitely have to get used to that. But the face of this control panel is on the left, very nice, very easy to understand. To drop, you're dead. You know, here's the blades now. So click that down, let it down. Very simple. See, there goes the grass flap. Nothing else really to it. I don't know. We might have draws me for these demo days. Wonder why there's no bungee cord out. So somebody in the comments, please help me out with that. Where is the choke? Is it because of the